how much should you actually spend on spark plugs for your Subaru Forester? Because some people are happy with the budget options while others swear by the pricey ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, EcoCSTM Spark Plug Socket Set. The EcoCSTM Spark Plug Socket Set caught my attention right away with its affordable price of just $8.59. It promises a hassle-free spark plug removal experience, especially in tight spaces. If you want a reliable tool for your spark plug maintenance, this is worth a serious look. This tool features high-performance chrome vanadium steel construction, ensuring durability against rust and wear. Its unique 360-degree rotation design is a lifesaver when you're working in cramped engine bays, making it easier to maneuver. Plus, the built-in magnetic ring holds your spark plugs securely, so you won't risk dropping them while working. With over 717 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, it's clear that many have found it useful. Now, some people complain that the thin wall design might not fit all models perfectly. Here's the thing though, this socket is designed for a wide range of vehicles, not just Subaru. If your car has more specific needs, you might want to double-check compatibility. But honestly, for the price, having this tool in your kit is still a great investment. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast looking to tackle spark plug replacements without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you prefer a complete spark plug replacement kit instead of just the tool. It's a great value for your money. Now, if the EcoCSTM's tool-only approach bothered you, this next one might actually be better for handling both ignition coils and spark plugs. Product number 2, KAX Ignition Coil Pack and Iridium Spark Plugs. Next up is the KAX set of 4 UF747 ignition coil pack and Iridium spark plugs, priced at $77.99. This caught my eye because it promises a complete solution for your Forester's ignition system. If you want to boost your engine's performance and reliability, this is worth a serious look. This reduces the chance of dropped parts, making your DIY job much smoother. Additionally, KAX claims these plugs have a lifespan exceeding 6,500 miles, which means fewer replacements and less hassle for you. With a 4.5-star rating from 390 reviews, users appreciate the durability and performance. Here's why this matters. Better ignition means better fuel efficiency and engine performance, which is exactly what you want for your Subaru. However, some users mention that the installation can be a bit tricky if you're not familiar with ignition systems. Here's the thing though, if you're just replacing a faulty coil, following the included instructions can make it straightforward. If you're unsure, maybe consult a professional, but for many DIYers, this is a manageable task. This is perfect for you if you want a comprehensive solution to replace both spark plugs and ignition coils. Skip this one if you're just looking to change spark plugs alone. Considering the performance boost, it's a solid investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually have even better compatibility for various models. Product number 3, Genuine OEM Subaru Spark Plugs. The genuine OEM Subaru spark plugs are next, priced at $100.68 for a set of 4. What caught my attention is the fact that these are factory-made, ensuring a perfect fit for your Subaru. If you want reliability and peace of mind, this is worth a serious look. These spark plugs are designed specifically for Subaru models from 2011 to 2017, including the Forester. The copper core material enhances conductivity, which is key for a stable ignition and better fuel efficiency. With a stellar 4.8-star rating based on 84 reviews, people appreciate the original parts for their longevity and performance. Here's why this matters for you. Using OEM parts means your vehicle will run as intended by the manufacturer, reducing the risk of future issues. Now, some users pointed out that they can be on the pricier side. Here's the thing though, investing in OEM parts can save you money in the long run by preventing engine problems caused by subpar aftermarket plugs. If you can afford it, this is an investment in your car's health. This is perfect for you if you prioritize quality and fitting to manufacturer specifications. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or prefer aftermarket options. Given the quality, it's a worthwhile investment for peace of mind. Now, if the price of OEM parts isn't for you, the next product is a more budget-friendly alternative that still delivers excellent performance. Product number 4, OEM Genuine NGK Spark Plugs Kit. Next, we have the OEM Genuine NGK Spark Plugs Kit priced at $22.08 for a set of 4. This option really surprised me with its affordability while still being a trusted brand. If you want a reliable spark plug without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. They provide excellent ignition reliability, which means smoother starts and better engine responsiveness. With a 4.8-star rating from 58 reviews, it's clear that many users appreciate the quality for the price. Here's why this matters for you. Good spark plugs can significantly affect your vehicle's fuel efficiency and overall performance, and this kit offers great value. However, some buyers have noted that they might not last as long as OEM options. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for an economical choice, these plugs still offer decent longevity for the price. They're a great option if you want to save some cash while maintaining a reliable spark. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable replacement without sacrificing quality. Skip this one if you want the longest-lasting spark plugs available. Honestly, for the price, you can't go wrong. Now, if you're looking for a complete ignition solution, the last product on my list offers both spark plugs and wires. Product number 5. AUTOREBO Ignition Spark Plug Wires and Plug Set. Finally, we have the AUTOREBO Ignition Spark Plug Wires and Plug Set at $42.99. This set is interesting because it comes with both ignition wires and Iridium spark plugs. If you want a complete solution for your ignition system, this is worth a serious look. Iridium plugs are known for their longevity and performance under high temperatures, which translates to better fuel efficiency. With a 4.5-star rating from 39 reviews, users enjoy the added convenience of having everything they need in one package. Here's why this matters. Having quality ignition components means a smoother ride and improved engine longevity. However, some users mention that the compatibility can be an issue if you don't double-check before buying. Here's the thing though, if you use the compatibility checker before purchasing, you can avoid any fitment problems. For those who want an easy installation without hunting for individual parts, this is a solid choice. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward, all-in-one solution for your ignition system. Skip this one if you're looking for just spark plugs or already have compatible wires. It offers great value for anyone needing a full kit. To wrap it up, we covered a range of options from the EcoCSTM spark plug socket set for DIY enthusiasts to the genuine OEM Subaru spark plugs for those seeking reliability. We also looked at the budget-friendly NGK spark plugs and the complete AUTOREBO set, giving you plenty of choices based on your needs and budget. Whichever you choose, make sure it fits your Subaru Forester perfectly.